In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Curseforge Modpacks crashing. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Fixing problems attributed to various modpacks is a simple process. So first, open the Curseforge launcher and select the specific modpack that you would like to fix. Now, when you go over to the modpack folder, the first thing that I would recommend is to click these little three dots over here and then repair the profile. This is going to scan the profile to see if any mods or mandatory files were damaged or corrupted, and if they were, you will be able to reapply them this way. You will notice that the loading bar appears for half a second and goes away because it is a very quick scan. If it detects that any mods are missing or anything is corrupted, they are going to be reapplied. As you can see for these mod packs here, I don't have any issues, so it just tells me that everything is okay and I can play the mod pack without any problems. But if it detects that any mods in your mod packs are corrupted or they have to be reapplied, they are going to be downloaded, and after the process is done, you can go ahead and try to play. If it still doesn't work, another thing that you can try to do is go over to the three dots once again and then change the version. You don't have to do a big change, so you don't have to change the complete version of Minecraft. All that you have to do is maybe downgrade one version. So for example, on this specific mod pack, you could go from version 24 to 23.5. You shouldn't be losing out much, and you can always check the changelog over here. Changing versions, downgrading can help you troubleshoot issues that you are having with beta releases, because sometimes they are unstable. So go back to a previous release and try using that one instead. Now, besides all of this, there isn't much that you can do anymore inside of the actual Curseforge launcher. The last thing that I would recommend is to go over to the Java website and download the latest version of Java. Updating Java is essential to make sure that Minecraft works. With all of this out of the way, try running the mod pack once more and seeing if it works. If it still doesn't work, the last thing that I would recommend is to completely delete the profile and reinstall it. Doing a fresh install will make sure that every single file of the mod pack is acquired without fail, and doing all of these steps will help you ensure that no mods are having compatibility issues and that you are able to run the mod pack. Something else to check is to see if your computer or hardware can handle the mods. Some mods can be incredibly intensive on your computer, so if you try to run a giant mod pack and your computer is not that great, you will run into issues. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Curseforge modpacks crashing. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.